Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to start with the world record of the most knuckle cracks in 1 minute. The current record is 28. Here we go.